Another kind of killer walks the earth, striking fear not from the air, but from its deadly legs. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the secretary bird. It hunts snakes, rodents, and even small mammals with deadly efficiency, using its feet as a weapon. One powerful kick from this bird can crush a snake's skull in a matter of seconds, with the precision of a seasoned warrior. It stomps its prey into submission, leaving no chance of escape. This is no ordinary bird of prey. It's a hunter that dominates the ground. One strike, one kill, executed with a cold elegance. But what happens when the meal is more than just flesh?